Action buttons. Action buttons are some built-in shapes which you can add to your slides. This action happens when you either click an object or hover your mouse over in a slideshow. Clicking an action button can open a web page, an email, a linked file, another slide in the same presentation, or a slide in a different presentation. They are the same as a hyperlink. Follow the given steps to insert action buttons. 1. Open an existing presentation. 2. Click on Shapes drop-down button under the Illustrations group of the Insert tab. Step 3. Action buttons is the last category in the list. Click the action button that you want to insert in your presentation. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse over the slide where you want to insert the action button. Release the mouse button to add the action button. As soon as the action button is inserted in the slide, an Action Settings dialog box opens. Step 5. In the Action Settings dialog box, click on either the Mouse Over or Mouse Click tab. Step 6. Choosing the Mouse Over action will cause an action to happen when you hover your mouse pointer over the button. The Mouse Click action will cause the action to happen when you click the button. Step 7. To apply your selected action, click on the OK button.